What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for insights into the world of cryptocurrency investments. In today's video, we are diving into a simple yet powerful strategy to accumulate top-tier cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Toncoin. But first, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational purposes only and doesn't constitute financial advice. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Now, let's jump right in. Well, and I want to add some important information. So, what exactly is our strategy today? We will be setting limit orders based on the lows, monthly lows of each cryptocurrency's candlestick chart. This approach aims to take advantage of potential dips while maintaining a disciplined entry point. Well, step one is identifying the monthly low for each cryptocurrency. Let's start with Bitcoin, BTC here, and the monthly time frame here, and we see here the low, the monthly candle. This is low, and here we see the gap. Let's do it not so bright, like this. Go back to daily chart, and we will see here this one, this one. This is equal lows. Equal lows, and I expect the price here below this level. So as a result, I just want to open position limit. We will choose here spot, buy, limit, and here we have to choose the amount. For example, $150. No, I think it's here, right? No, we have to pull the price here. Price, we will need $90,250. Like this. And buy limit, the price, the order price, $90,250, and order value $150. Buy BTC. Okay, see here, buy limit spot. For example, here you can see, no, you won't see here. Okay, the next one is Ethereum. Ethereum, I expect the price below this level. Just $3,000. Open the Bybit.com. We have to choose here Ethereum USDT. Here we go. And price 3,000 here. Buy spot limit 3,150. Buy it. Buy. Okay, see here. It's history about, yeah, it's history. I can see you the Bitcoin. Yes, this one. And Solana, I bought it maybe 2 weeks ago. It was this level, the blue line. It was yes, this one. The first one, yeah. Spot limit 4.6 Solanas. Okay, let's continue. Next one is Toncoin. Toncoin we will buy. I will show you the key levels. I expect the price here below this level. So it's kind of 4.2. Okay, Toncoin USDT spot buy limit price 4.2, $150. Buy it. Buy. Okay, all set. And the next one is Solana. Okay, it's just give me a second. I will show you the Toncoin weekly chart and monthly chart. I just wanna show you this. Almost equal lows and equal highs. Here we will see just liquidity. Someone opened long position here, 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 and here. And I'm almost sure they just keep it. that they just keep it, and they expect the price we'll see here above this level. But now I expect price below these levels, these equal lows. As a result, I open limit order here. Well, the next one is Solana. Well, about Solana, I have like some few options. The first one is I expect price here below this equal lows. This is daily chart. And then below this low and these lows. As we buy just spot trading and as we just investing spot trading, we can open position like here and then here and then here, and just wait. Just buy it and keep it. That's it. Well, Solana, I will buy. First of all, this price is, I need 170. 71. Yeah. 150. Buy it. Okay. Well, we'll see here. Buy. All right. So honestly, I'll expect the price below these levels maybe in 2025 in January, but it's just long-term investment, but like maybe 6 months or 1 year. Well, and I'm ready to see like a minus 40% in my portfolio, 40 or 50% in my portfolio. It's just spot trading. It's not futures. It's not where the leverage is. Just buy it. That's it. And that wraps up today's video. I hope this strategy provides you with a structured approach to investing in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Toncoin. Well, if you have any questions or need clarification, drop a comment below. I always make time to respond. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps us grow and reach more crypto enthusiasts like you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy investing.